24.
Interstate, go ahead.
We're eastbound from the 175 to White Audi. 28th Kentucky, Sam 60455. Sam 60455. Still eastbound. Show me 1037.
13-3-10-4. Blue Rock unit, transition 13-13-83. 40 eastbound 175.
Past the 176. Go ahead and notify trip D.
13-3-10-4, 206.
I'm at the 183. That's correct.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
What's your speed?
75 right now. We're stuck in traffic.
CFS comments added.
Speed 100. In and out of traffic.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 177. Speed's 96.
Passing 177.
CFS comments added.
Trying to get to 500 and 183.
10 more. Speed's 115.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 178. Speed's 120.
CFS comments added.
Passing 78, speed 120.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder. Speed 106.
Passing on.
I've got flags at the 183. I'm right here at the exit.
CFS comments added.
10 more. Unless you want to get close. Speed's 116. Passing the 179.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 180. Speed's 90.
CFS
Passing
comments
180,
added.
speed 90.
Passing the 181. Speed's 105.
Passing 181, speed 105.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
If you were in the fast lane, I'm going to give you some room.
CFS comments added.
I've got the spikes right here on that exit, so I can just pull straight to me.
Alright, well, he's coming up on that semi, so I don't think you're going to be able to.
CFS comments added.
No, you're not going to be able to. He's coming right at you on the right shoulder.
CFS comments added.
Yeah, back off of him, back off of him.
Spikes. 183. Still eastbound. Yeah, he did.
Unit D39 joint call. Unit D7 joint call. CMS comments added. CMS
Speed's
comments added.
115.
Space 115.
Looks like it's passenger side front tires going on.
CMS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder, speed's 94.
Passing on the right shoulder, speed 34.
Passing the 184.
Passing 184.
CMS comments added. Oil has been molested. CMS comments added. CMS comments added.
I'm coming on.
Passing the 185, speed's 100. Losing a tire.
Passing 185, speed 100.
CMS comments added.
Looks like he's going to stop.
Yeah, well, I did. Go ahead, TV on.
Comments added.
Felony takedown.
Felony takedown.
Hands! 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 You better stop! Hey, I don't know if that's him. Got one running on foot across the field. Hispanic male, black hair, black black pants, black shirt. $55, where you at? Hey. Coming from Texas. He's still going through the field. Looks like he's turning, headed back west.